And it's a 3-point game para sa Llamados, 65-62. Sol Mercado pulling up.
We got an open shot off the dribble, just couldn't knock it down.
Here's Artadi, spots away.
Gutsy just keeps going for it. Paul Artadi not shying away from that open shot.
Norwood. Look out!
You can't. I saw that one coming. I saw a couple guys turn their heads. And slipped out, because you can't let Gabe Norwood get a clear drive to the basket. That's a dunk every time.
Once again, rain or shine, knocking on the door, down by 1 point. Here's Artadi, and now James Yap fires. And a miss by James Yap. Mercado on the move. Mercado on the loose. And Gabe Norwood with 6 straight points.
3 dunks by Gabe Norwood in this run for Rain or Shine.
And what a way to push Rain or Shine ahead on a slam dunk, a putback slam, pushing Rain or Shine by 1, 66-65. And this is Rain or Shine basketball. They're running, they're gunning, they're creating turnovers, and they're scoring on fast breaks.
Absolutely, it's the way they got the lead. They're doing what they want to do. It's playoff time, Rico.
Sol Mercado provides the emotion, the heart. But Gabe Norwood provides a lot of highlights as well, like this putback slam. Third consecutive slam dunk, actually. The coach slam dunk there para kay Gabe Norwood, and lamang na ang Rain or Shine, 66-65.
The sub comes in, Roger Yap coming in for Paul Artadi. Rafi Rivas in the game as well as Rico Meyerhofer now, so a lineup change for BMEG.
Roger Yap went up without the ball, but he's reaching against Mercado.
And you got to figure, Paul got some open shots, and Paul Artadi brings a lot to the table. But Rain or Shine was playing him to give him that shot, and he wasn't knocking it down. Roger's been shooting the ball much better this whole year, maybe a better threat from the outside for BMEG, and a heads-up substitution by the coaching staff of BMEG.
Well, BMEG is contesting that it should be a foul in the act of shooting, but the officials say no, not quite. Bola pa rin ng BMEG. Here's Brown, Cliff Brown over Rayback. Meyerhofer with a rebound. Took some time before he decided to go up for the follow-up, and it worked.
Great offensive rebounding again. No surprise from BMEG.
And this is the Sampayan Brigade at work. They want to stop Gabe Norwood from scoring more slam dunks, so Rafi Rivas and Rico Meyerhofer put the Sampayan defense on Norwood.
I like working with you, Rico Halile, the Sampayan Brigade. I like that. That's craft. You're creative. You're a creative young man, sir.
Pag ikaw ang naglalabas sa bahay, you're familiar with the Sampayan.
Hindi ako naglalabas sa bahay.
There's only one day in the year na hindi ko kailangan maglaba. That's Father's Day. Sometimes Christmas. Other than that, it's laba time all the time. Norwood connects.
What a run by Gabe Norwood. He's got 8 straight points now. 3 dunks and an attack of the basket.
By the way, you are getting married soon, so you will find out what I'm talking about very, very soon. Meantime, turnover again. Aranya on the move. Aranya to Norwood. Norwood goes up, and Norwood will score.
Boy, Gabe Norwood has just exploded in about 3 minutes here of this third quarter. He's got 10 points. Already 21 now in this game. And again, it was a turnovers. Even Coach Ray mentioned it. Turnovers leading to Rain or Shine buckets.
Here's Roger Yap. And now Meyerhofer. Meyerhofer. Rivas. They leave him open, and he comes up short.
And they want to keep leaving Rafi Rivas open from that range. That's not really his shot, or the shot that BMEG will be looking for.
Neely thought about it. Now he fires away.
That was a good look for Neely. There's a sigh of relief when that didn't go in from the BMEG side.
Here's Rivas. Drop pass intended for Brown. James Yap goes up and scores.
It looked like Mike Rayback might have jumped out of the way on that one, but they got a foul. And James Yap going to go back to the free throw line. How about James Yap already with 24 points, and we're still in the third quarter?
James Yap, time and again, has made big buckets. Always when rain or shine is on a run, James Yap responds, and we see the return of Kirby Raimundo. And Kirby played in the first half, sparingly as expected. He's trying to get back in the groove, get his timing back, and now he's back on the floor.
Well, that's really, kung matagal ka wala sa court, 3 months off, that's a long time. And a creative player as Kirby is, and he's a great player, it's hard for anybody to come back and get your rhythm right away.
Free throw shot was brought to you by BMEG Derby's Premium Formula dito ko na sa Liamad. Meantime, here's Aranya. Jeff Chan from the corner. That won't count. No, that won't count. Kumama na sa shot clock. That's an automatic violation.
Hirap gawin yan ah. That's a nice horse shot. Yeah, off the rim, off the shot clock, nothing but net.
It doesn't amount to anything.
A little well-executed play, actually, by Rain or Shine. A little, what you call a brush screen from Norwood for Aranya. He drove, Rayback set a nice flare screen to Jeff John in the corner. Nice play. Jeff John, a good shooter, just unable to knock it down. And we got a 70-70 ball game.
Son Mercado. And now Aranya. Aranya, sidestep, beauty. And he will take 2 free throws. You know, Aranya sometimes, it looks like he moves in slow motion, but he finds the openings.
Si Ryan Aranya kasi talino, he looks for the angles. He takes good angles. And he knows how to make contact with the player's hips. He doesn't avoid the contact. He goes right at his defender. And it's hard to guard. You know, it's a similarity, I think, Roger Yap does. He doesn't look like the quickest penetrator, but boy, are these guys effective penetrators because they're strong and they take good angles off the dribble.
But tell you the difference though, when Roger Yap does it, as you look at Peter Jun Simon, who will make his first appearance tonight, when Roger Yap invades the shaded lane, everybody gets out of his way. That's Roger Yap. That doesn't happen with Ryan Aranya.
But both those guys manage to finish in traffic. And they're both very effective penetrators for their teams.
Here's Roger Yap, back pass, Kirby, almost a turnover. Lots of time to shoot para sa BMEG Derby Ace. Here's Raimundo. Napapik ang bola ni Rayback, Pingris, and now Kirby. Kirby outside, Roger. Roger Yap with a runner! Yes, sir!
Tough floater off the wrong foot over 2 big guys challenging the shot.
Maling ang lamang sa BMEG Derby Ace, 72-71, under 4 minutes to go in the third. It's Neely against Pingris, and Neely will prevail.
Really tough finish, and it's just been a back and forth third quarter.
So maling ang lamang sa Rain or Shine, 73-72. Roger Yap fires. Rebound para kay Aranya. Aranya is on the move. Aranya steps on the brakes. Mercado. Chan. Chan on the right side. Jeff Chan, baseline, reverse.
Oh, the shooter showing KG kind of let a little hang time. How about that?
Of course, the very proud team owners of Rain or Shine, Raymond Newton and K, applauding that effort by Jeff Chan. Meantime, here's Pingris. Pingris goes up. Pingris will miss. Bola na kay Mercado. Sol Mercado on the move. Sol Mercado all the way. No! He missed it. And here comes Peter Jun Simon. Sol Mercado still in the backcourt. Kirby to Roger. Roger Yap. Rain or Shine down 1 man. And Kirby Raimundo will score his first basket in ages.
Kirby stepping in, getting an open shot, knocking it down, and cuts the lead back down to 1.
Back inside the big dome, meron tayong BMEG Power Move brought to you by Derby Ace Premium Formula. Dito ko na sa Yamado.
James Yap finishing there over perhaps negligible contact, but James just a great finisher going in traffic. Again, using those massive hands that he has to put that ball over Rayback.
Well, James Yap now resting on the bench with 2:14 remaining in the third. At lamang po ng isa. Rain or Shine, 75-71. 74. Hanes is the official underwear of the PBA.